Scott Grove here, and I got a veneering tip for you. Actually, it's a gluing tip. Works not just for veneer, but for hardwood, any sort of glue up. You take a little UV indicator, check on the link below, and I'll show you where you can get that. And you squirt that in your glue, 1%, and what that will do is make your glue glow under black light or UV light. So it lets you know where your glue is. You know, you go through and you scrape off your glue and you sand and you think you got it all done. Then you go into finishing and you put some stain on, and then there's that one fingerprint of glue that you forgot, and then that's a big mess because you got to sand that off. Then you get down the raw wood with no stain, and you have to try to blend that stain in. It's just a real pain in the ass, technical term. So here it is right here. So this is sanded, but I'll show you. So this looks all good, right? Well, if you take a UV light, I don't know if you can see, let me switch this around. So let's see if you can see. So, well, it's kind of weird, but there you go. See that there? So that, I don't know if that's lighting up. You can see that's excess glue, and you can see down here where I sanded and there's no there. So there is glue right there. And of course, with no UV light, you can't see it at all. So, big tip. It saves a lot of time. All glue should have this in there. I don't know why they add it. Titebond adds it to their speed set, which is good, but quite frankly, I put it in all my glues, and it's just a great thing to know. So, hope that helps. Share, like, comment, all that stuff, and thanks for watching.